Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you doing today? I hope you are doing great. Today I'm sharing this great recipe with you. Coconut rice, creamy coconut rice. It's very tasty, healthy and delicious. Man, you have to try it. Try it. It's not too expensive. Please make sure you watch to the end so that you don't miss any step because it is step by step. You will need prawns, but if you don't have prawns, it's okay. So you have to season your prawns. I add garlic, ginger, curry, and salt, of course. That is parsley leaf. Parsley leaf is optional. Parsley leaf is just to give it that flavor and aroma. So I'm using butter. I use butter 100 gram. But if you don't have butter, it's fine. You can make use of groundnut oil. And please guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by subscribing to my channel. Like my video, comment, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. And I'll be very glad to have you in this my little channel. Let's grow together. So stir fry your prawns. Fry 5 minutes on each side so that it will be well cooked. You don't want to eat raw prawn. So cover it, allow it to cook a little for like 4 or 5 minutes. Then turn the other side, same process. Please subscribe to my channel, support this little channel, help this channel to grow. So we have to cover it again and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. So our prawns is ready. So keep it aside. We're going to make sauce for this coconut rice. But if you don't want to make sauce, it's okay. So I'm using butter for the sauce. This is unsalted butter, cooking butter. So add your red onions and stir fry. Don't overcook the onions. So this is one fresh pepper. But if you don't have fresh pepper, you can use paprika or you use any pepper of your choice. So these tomatoes, I use 100 grams of tomatoes. Stir fry for some minutes just to remove that sour taste, Add salt, add vegetable seasoning. This vegetable seasoning powder is like mangi cube, but it's not mangi. Add your carrot. So after adding your carrots, stir fry. Add your bell pepper. So I use half bell pepper, the red and the yellow bell pepper, half-ish. But you can use full one depending on how you want to make the sauce much. So don't overcook your veggies. So add your prawns back to the sauce just for the sauce to enter inside the prawns. Add parsley, optional, or you can add chia leaf. Chai leaf is also good. Their flavor and aroma is very good. So keep aside time for our coconut. So in this place I used to process. You can use your grater for your coconut if you don't want to use blender. And I see that it was taking time. Man, I will not live here today, so I switch to blender. So this is how it looks. You don't have to use blender if you use your grater. So then I switch to my blender. Please, if you want to use your blender, make sure you cut the coconut into pieces so that you don't spoil your blender. You know it's hard. And make sure you have a lot of water to it. Don't blend like that. So add water and blend. So this after I blend it, you see, so quick. Instead of using grater and it will take the whole day. So after that, you sieve out the milk. We are only using the juice milk. Add water to it. We are not going to make use of the chaff, but you can keep the chaff aside. If you want to use it, you dry it. You can use it for baking, or you can use it for swallow, semo. So add water. Make sure you extract the milk out very well. If you have watched to this place, thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your like. Thank you for your comment. I say God bless you. And please don't forget to subscribe and share my video out. If you don't share it out, I cannot go viral. Nobody will see the video. Please, you have to share my video out, please. So this is hot water. You have to make use of hot water. You know coconut have its own oil, so that the oil and everything, you can extract everything out very well. So use hot water for the last process, so that you take out everything. You don't want any meat to remain on the shaft, right? So this is hot water. Please make sure you gauge your water, and depending on the quantity of rice you are cooking. I know coconut rice is always soft. Then place on heat. This is a coconut milk, the can. So I add half part to it. Later on, we are going to make use of the remaining half part. Allow it to boil first. So this is how it looks. Add your seasoning cube. Add salt. You don't need much ingredient on this particular coconut rice. You only need your seasoning cube and salt and your pepper. You can use black pepper or you use white pepper. So still add your rice. You can parboil or you just wash 3 times. So this is black pepper. I make use of black pepper, but you can use white pepper. Any of the two, either black pepper or white pepper. So cook, cover and cook. Cook until your rice is soft. It has to be soft. That is why it's coconut rice. So I'm adding that remaining milk, coconut milk. I add it when the rice is almost cooked. Okay, the rice is almost cooked before adding it. Oh my, see how creamy and man, this kitchen is filled up with aroma. So soft, so creamy. Of course, the tasty and delicious is there. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always coming by to check my video. Our rice is ready. Garnish it to your own taste. Bon appetito. Enjoy your meal. See you on my next video, and please make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.